Hi everyone, this is Ajma from ALT. Just want to tell you about some of the sessions which are coming in January in the new year. So if you are preparing for 11 plus entrances or you're preparing for 13 plus, just look out for ALT. ALT specialize in preparing children for 11 plus entrances. Not only that, they also specialize in preparing children for 13 plus and also have recently started preparing children for Key Stage 3 and GCSEs. So if you're looking for any tuition, just look for ALT. We have won 2 awards for the best tuition center in Southeast London. Not only that, we have also won awards for the best mock provider in Southeast London. Also, we are OPSA registered. We accept childcare vouchers. We have new sessions starting in New Year. So it's first come first basis. Just comment below if you're interested to know more about our sessions which are starting in January.